Hello, welcome to another step-by-step cubing video. Today I'm going to show you how to solve parity. So the first parity I'm going to show you how to solve is this. It's where two edges have been flipped round and are the wrong way. The moves will be displayed on the screen in a few seconds while I show you how to do it. And now the next one. This is the next type of parity. It's where these two corners have been switched around. Now, the algorithm is quite long, but over time you'll just be able to remember it by muscle memory. So, the moves are the following. That was this parity, and the next one is this corner parity. This is where these two corners are flipped. It is shorter than the last one I showed you, but it is still a bit long, so just keep trying and remember as many as you can. You can even make a cheat sheet to help you by writing them down and then copying the moves and to solve this. That was how you solve the basic parities, so thank you for watching and I'll have more videos soon.